I hope you enjoy playing along with the following score. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you don't miss out on all of the other drum scores I'm about to release for you. Welcome to the official Pipe Band Drumming YouTube channel. I'm James Laughlin, former 7-time world champion and founder of the Pipe Band Drumming Inner Circle. I've decided to make all of my drum scores available to you here on YouTube because I remember just how difficult it was when I started drumming. I wanted to get my hands on lots of drum scores and I just couldn't. So I want to get great drum scores in front of your eyes and your hands so that you can play along. Today's video is recorded by Sebastian in South Africa. He's one of my top Pipe Band Drumming Inner Circle students and an open drumming solo champion. If you'd like to get your hands on my entire drum score collection, I've made it available to you in PDF and audio format using the link in the description below for just $9.99. And if you want to slow down this video so you can play along, there's a little toggle where you can slow it down quite a bit. And it's the best way to master things is to slow things down. So feel free to slow the video down, and repetition is what builds experience. It's what builds confidence. It's what builds execution as a drummer. So feel free to come back to this video and repeat it over and over. Have fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget you can get your hands on my entire drum score collection at the link in the description for just $9.99. And remember to hit that subscribe button and the little notification alarm bell so that you get notified every single time I release a score. Feel free to share this video with a friend, and you have my full permission to use any of my drum scores in your solo or band performances. We'll see you soon.